Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming exact Sapphire plugin and host application versions because mismatches cause most failures. Once done, back up the project and the plugin folder so you can revert quickly. Next, reproduce the error and capture logs, host console, Sapphire debug output, and any crash dumps. This gives actionable clues. If you lack logs, enable verbose logging in the host and rerun the failing workflow. It will reveal missing dependencies or conflicts you must address in the next steps. You now diagnose deeper causes by checking dependencies and runtimes. Missing DLLs or wrong framework versions are common culprits. Once identified, reinstall or replace those specific components rather than everything. Next, isolate plugin conflicts by disabling other plugins and using binary search. Enable half-test, then narrow down. If the problem persists, perform a clean Sapphire reinstall, remove binaries, then install the correct build. Make sure to preserve compatible user configs. Incompatible settings you finish by testing the complete workflow end-to-end and verifying logs show no errors. If the issue persists, create a minimal reproducible case and capture fresh logs to pinpoint the failure. This helps whether you fix it or report it. Once satisfied, document the change and return backups to normal operation. If nothing helps, roll back to the last known good state and compare file diffs to see what's different. That comparison often reveals the single change that triggered the Sapphire plugin error.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.